does XRP impact the Forex markets? Let's explain it like we're smarter than we're five. You ever wonder what happens when XRP steps onto the trillion-dollar Forex battlefield? Today we're going to break it all down. I'm talking currency pairs, spreads, liquidity, all explained in plain English. And yes, we're going to show you exactly how XRP is already shaking up the way the world trades money. What might happen next? Grab a coffee, smash that like. I'm Frank the Crypto Tank, construction boots to financial roots, spending 5 years, 6 hours a day studying global markets, charts, digital assets, what have you. I'm no expert-ish, and today I'm showing you how XRP could change the biggest money market on the planet, the Forex market, or we call the foreign exchange market, or the FX market, whatever. What is Forex? Forex, short for foreign exchange, it's the global marketplace where currencies are traded. I think it's something like $13 trillion to $17 trillion marketplace. It's like an international swap meet where everybody's trading for yen, euros, pounds, pesos, Canadian bacon, whatever. You get the idea. Now every trade happens in pairs. It's always one currency versus another. For example, euro versus USD, USD versus JPY or Japanese yen. Biggest market in the world. Let's explain spreads and liquidity. Let's talk spreads first. In Forex markets, a spread is the tiny difference between the buy price and the sell price. It's how market makers make their money. It's everything to them, okay? Think of it like buying gas for $3.20 at the gas station. Then the gas station next door is selling it for $3.22. And that 2-cent difference, that's the spread. Traders live and die on this spread. It's crucial to them. Liquidity is just how easy it is to trade the currency without causing price chaos. So if you're trying to buy $1 million worth of Canadian dollars at 3 a.m. and nobody's around, it's going to be difficult. More liquidity equals faster, smoother trades. Okay, so here comes XRP for liquidity's sake. Okay, XRP's digital asset built for moving value fast, like an email moves information. This moves money the same way. 3 seconds to the tune of 3 to 5 seconds with almost zero fees, fractions of a penny. Unlike Bitcoin, which is slower than Granny trying to open up a freaking crypto wallet, XRP can move funds across borders in real time. This is massive for the Forex world. Right now, banks and Forex markets use things like SWIFT, Society for Worldwide Interfinancial Telecommunications, which is an old, outdated 1974, barely updated messaging system that only handles the messaging portion of this and has I think it's like 6,000 banks connected to it to settle cross-border payments. It's what we've been using up until now. It's like faxing a check from the 1980s and hoping that shit shows up. This is ridiculous. We could do better. It's slow. It's expensive. It's clunky. But XRP acts like a bridge currency between any two currencies, say yen and euro. It makes it possible to swap value without needing a direct currency pair. It provides. Let's say a bank in Mexico wants to send $5 million to a bank in the Philippines. Normally, the money has to route through USD, pass through multiple intermediaries, each taking a cut along the way. But using on-demand liquidity or Ripple's ODL solution, the Mexican bank can sell pesos for XRP. XRP shoots across the XRPL or XRP ledger in 3 to 5 seconds and is sold for Philippine pesos on the other side. Okay. That's it. It's done. That's already happening. Bank of Santander, Trianglo, Bank of America, they're all sniffing around the Ripple tech as of now. And the Central Bank of Bhutan, Egyptian Central Bank, they're actually dealing with Ripple's XRP, Ripple's CBD platform. Even the Monetary Authority of Singapore tested ODL or on-demand liquidity. So we're not just talking theory here. This is live. These are live tests that they're performing, and it's growing. We're learning how XRP fixes Forex problems. So let's stack it up, okay? Speed, XRP moves in 3 to 5 seconds. Cost, fractions of a penny. Liquidity, XRP bridges any two currencies, even exotic ones. No need for Nostro, Vostro accounts, okay? Our money and their money in Latin, that's parking $27 trillion around the world in these pre-funded accounts to handle the liquidity that's required for banks to perform transactions with each other. That's just bank lingo, basically, for kind of like just parking money. XRP replaces these Nostro Vostro accounts, making transfers instant. Okay, so in simple terms, XRP is like the universal translator for money. Don't speak yen? XRP does. Don't hold ruble? XRP's gotcha. Any of them future forecast for XRP. What if XRP goes full Forex? Well, let's say XRP gets picked up by 50% of banks, only half, okay? Or even replaces parts of SWIFT, okay? Even like maybe 5%. That's not fantasy. Ripple has over 300 bank partnerships. We already saw Volente, which works with SWIFT, integrate Ripple's tech. Here's what that future might look like. Faster FX settlements. No more T+2, which is each T+2 is 2 days to settle, to wait 2-day response. T+1 is what we're moving to now. Lower spreads thanks to instant liquidity. Smaller banks get access to big-time Forex tools now, leveling the playing field. Central banks could use XRP to stabilize and exchange digital currencies or CBDCs in real time. So how does XRP affect the Forex markets? It flips the whole thing on its ass. It eliminates middlemen, speeds up transactions, reduces costs, and that's why institutions are watching XRP like hawks. It's not just a coin. It's an infrastructure. It's the plumbing for our future financial system, the next generation of money movement, okay? It's moving money like we move information. If you learned something here today, would you please smash that subscribe, like button, tap the bell notification. We do love you. Thanks for joining us here. Crypto Info, Blockchain Made Easy, with your host, Frank the Crypto Tank. See you next time, guys. Let's f***ing roll this thing.